Alright, now I missed out on sharing something really important for the Galaxy S26 Ultra users out there. Samsung recently added, or let's say enhanced, the privacy display feature on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and I completely forgot to share that with you guys. Yes, the privacy display feature has been enhanced on One UI 9 on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go to the privacy display here. And here we have got conditions for turning on. Under this, we can select specific applications. Let's say I have selected, or let's say I have enabled the YouTube for the privacy display. Whenever you open YouTube application, the privacy display will be turned on. You need to make sure the YouTube or whichever video applications that you're using for pop-up is enabled right here under the application list under conditions for turning on. And once that is done, just enable this. Now let's go to YouTube. I'll open my video. Now YouTube, you can see already privacy display is turned on, and let me open this video, and you can see again the privacy display is active. Now let's say I go to the home screen. Now here the privacy display is activated only for this pop-up window here. Let me show you this. Look at that. Only this window is not visible here, and the rest of the screen is completely visible. Let me just enlarge this. Now let me show you again. You are able to see the video here. Now when I tilt the phone, the rest of the screen is visible. Let me just open any other application, maybe calendar. Let me turn off the dark mode here. Now look at this. Let me tilt this. This particular pop-up has got this privacy display, and the rest of the screen is clearly visible. That is a brand new feature, or let's say an enhancement to the existing privacy display feature, which is fantastic. And this is definitely a pretty cool feature here. Now this works not only for the YouTube. If you are using any other media player or any other applications on which you will watch the content in pop-up view, just in case if you get back to the home screen and if the video is playing on the pop-up view, then that video will not be visible to the person next to you. That's how this brand new feature works. Let me know what do you think about this. Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.